Hi there. Today I'm going to talk about Google Ads, but more importantly, I'm going to talk about the fundamentals of paid advertising on search engines, right? So let's start with a concept called PPC. Now, this is a payment model with Google. So PPC stands for pay per click. As the name itself suggests, as an advertiser, you pay to Google only if a user clicks on your advertisement, which is pretty good. On Google search engine, the text ads that appear usually are based on PPC model, right? Which means only if the user clicks on the advertisement will the advertiser need to pay to Google, not otherwise. Now, there are also other concepts of payment models with Google Ads. The second one is called PPM, pay per mille. Okay, mille is a Latin word which means 1000. What this PPM model says is that Google will charge the advertiser after displaying that advertisement 1000 times. Okay, so as an advertiser, I will pay to Google only if my advertisement has been displayed 1000 times, right? That's PPM model. Now, that's not applicable for the search engine text ads that I'm talking about, but there are display advertisements where PPM can be used as a payment model. The third one is called CPA model, or cost per acquisition. Here, you would pay to Google only if the user takes some action, like clicking on a button, filling out a form, or even purchasing a product if it's an e-commerce store. So these are the different payment models, and PPC is an umbrella term. It constitutes both the CPM as well as CPA, right? That's how people usually use PPC as a term. Okay, now let's talk a little bit about how Google Ads appear. And I'm purely talking from a Google search engine perspective right now. So the user goes to Google search engine, types in a search term. It could be something like email marketing. Now, there are going to be search engine results, right? The page that shows the results is also called as SERP, or search engine results page. Here you will see paid advertisements as well as the organic results. Now, how do I differentiate between a paid advertisement and an organic result? You see, at the top or at the bottom, it could be both at the top as well as bottom. On a Google search engine results page, there could be text advertisements that will have an ad as a tag, right? There will be a rounded rectangle in green and it will say ad. That clearly differentiates a paid advertisement. Now, on Google search engine results page, like I told you, the SERP, there can be a maximum of 7 advertisements. Results page, 4 up top and 3 at the bottom. Okay, so if the keyword is really high in demand, you could see a potential 7 paid text ads on Google search engine results. Now, between the 4 up top and 3 at the bottom, sandwiched between those two are your organic results, and usually these are about 10 organic results. Google doesn't charge you for these, that's why it's called organic results, but Google uses algorithms to rank these different websites based on the relevance and many other signals. Okay, so that's the difference between paid advertisement and organic search results. Organic search results are based on Google's algorithm, and we usually call that as search engine optimization, or SEO. Okay, it's popularly known as SEO. Now, when the user clicks on an advertisement on the search engine results page, he or she is taken to a website, right, to the advertiser's website. The page that the person reaches, the user reaches, now that page is called a landing page. Okay, as a user, you click on the advertisement, you're taken to the advertiser's website. The page you reach is called the landing page. So that's another common term in PPC, the landing page. On Google search engine results, when a user types something like email marketing as a search term, Google tries to show the most relevant advertisements as well as organic results, which are super relevant to the search query. That's the power of Google search engine, right? It's very relevant to what the user is searching for, and that's what makes it so effective. Okay, so the relevance is very, very important in terms of paid advertisements as well as SEO. Okay, so that's something you want to keep in mind. And last but not the least, Google uses an auction method, meaning if I'm an advertiser and I want to show my advertisement for a keyword like email marketing, I should bid for a keyword called email marketing, right? That's the key term that I'm going to bid for. It works on an auction based system. Okay, so these are a few fundamentals that you need to know even before you jump into Google Ads. Hopefully this was useful. If you like the video, please share it, give it a thumbs up, and if you find this useful, also subscribe so that you can get more content like this that could be value adding for your digital marketing purposes. I'll see you next time. My name is CM Manjunath and this is Marketing Mysteries. Bye-bye.